Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a transparent background in GIMP. So I have here this transparent background. I mean, we don't have a transparent background, but I have this image, and I'm just going to right click on this, add an alpha channel, and then what can I do here is to click on this tool here. It's called the fuzzy select tool. Now I'm going to select the background, and now I can place delete on the keyboard. And when you press delete on your keyboard, it should delete the background. It should remove the background. So just press delete. And for me is so backspace, and then you press Fn plus delete to remove it. Otherwise, it won't work if you just press delete. And that's something you have to know if you're using a MacBook or iOS. Now we're gonna click on, so we're gonna have to save as or save as a copy, but I'm gonna click on export. Then here in export, I can click on select the file type, and of course we're gonna have to use a PNG, so because PNG has like a transparent background. And then I can select on desktop, or maybe in documents, or maybe I can select, can go here in downloads, and now I can just export. Very easy, just click on export. You can also name this file if you want, but I don't want to. And then click on export. You can also change a couple of things here if you want to. But now I have this image here. As you can see, this is the image with the transparent background. Of course, you can use other programs to remove the background. There's also websites, but why not doing this in GIMP if you're already using GIMP to edit your images? So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.